Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ainsley News. It's Tuesday, the 19th of October, Crypto Tuesday, as always, and it's been a historic week for crypto. It's been an exciting week for Bitcoin investors as the SEC approves the first Bitcoin futures-backed ETF product. We've been waiting for that for a little bit. The market continued to rally on the news from a low of $54,370, that's US, to a high of $62,503 US. Right now, it's sitting around the same price. At the weekly peak, prices were within $2,200 of the all-time high at $64.7. The excitement in the market can be seen across several indicators and metrics, both in the on-chain spending patterns and in derivatives markets. We can look into the exchange net positions change metric to see if coins are flowing into exchanges for sale. What we can see is that after an extended period of sustained outflows, the on-net change in exchange balances has returned neutral. This suggests that over the last 30 days, inflows have been matched with outflows, which further indicates that there is sufficient demand at present to absorb the sell side. It does, however, indicate fewer coins are being withdrawn and is less constructive for the price than net outflows. Interestingly, this market structure is very similar to the period in late 2020 as Bitcoin approached last cycle's all-time high. All in all, the market remains quite bullish. However, it's likely that early signs of older coins, old by LTHs being spent on chain, will continue as it has in all previous Bitcoin cycles. The derivatives market for Bitcoin has seen marked increases in open interest and volume, particularly in the options space. Options open interest expanded by a remarkable 107%, or $6.3 billion throughout October alone. Whilst not an all-time high, it is not all that far away. Options trade volume has similarly seen an extraordinary week, rising to $1.5 billion as Bitcoin prices breached the $60,000 price level. Options trade volume has only reached levels this high on 3 prior occasions, all at similar price points between March and May this year. Possibly even more exciting is the outlook for ETH, which is one of our favourite analysts, Raoul Pal, touched on in Macro Insider's flash update yesterday. Let's see why he's so excited about the next 6 months. The last hurrah, this from him. I just want to get out a quick trade recommendation because I've discovered a great opportunity. As you know, I think we're in the beginning of the next exponential upleg in crypto, and my focus is on ETH. The chart is nothing short of epic. When this line goes, the next phase will begin. And using the past history of BTC, we're headed to $20,000 by March. That's for ETH. And with linear charts we're showing you on our website today, so jump over there, ainsleyBullion.com.au. You can look closer at all these charts that Raoul Pal's given us. It looks amazing. To me, all this gives a target range of $20,000 to $40,000 by the end of this coming March. Why the overshoot versus Bitcoin in 2017? Simple. There will be an ETF launched on ETH at some point this year or early next year. That will bring huge retail flows. The BTC ETF has just been approved and that helps too. Secondly, institutions are buying ETH and most asset allocation committees will pull the trigger in January. Thirdly, ETH 2.0 will come out towards March. That means there will be a big run into December, maybe a pullback as people rebalance or take tax profits for tax. And then everyone with a shiny new P&L will load up. There is no supply. The only outcome is exponential price rises. I think it goes on for longer and further than expected. However, I'm fully loaded with almost every penny I have in the crypto trade. I'm all in. So that's from Raoul Pal, which is a pretty interesting position there from him on ETH. And that's news for today, everyone. Remember, if you are after looking closer at our charts for today's news, jump over to ainsleyBullion.com.au and just check out our news and click on today's. Also check out our pricing there for gold, silver and platinum. You can buy physical stuff from Ainsley Bullion. Been doing it for a while, over 40 years. Have it delivered to your door. You can also jump into our offices in Brisbane and Melbourne. Also Ainsley Wealth, because we've been talking about crypto today, so jump in there, check out our live pricing. You can also purchase and store offline through our cold wallet system. Safest way to buy. You can also swap into bullion through Ainsley Wealth as well. And goldsilverstandard.com. That's our own cryptocurrency built and backed by real gold and silver, stored at Reserve Vault. And also check out Melbourne Vault if you can. That's our new little vaulted property down in Melbourne. If you're a Melbourneite or Victorian and are looking for a place to securely store your bullion, jewellery, or even your crypto wallet, that's the place to check out. That's melbournevault.com.au. Enjoy your Tuesday, everyone. We'll catch you tomorrow for more news.